Look who got pulled over. Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we're back at it again with another vlog. We're at Monterey Car Week. Jake's filming me for no reason right now. What'd you say? Oh no, you're more than welcome to stay back there. Anyways, today is day one. What is it? Classic cars?
Yeah, classic cars of Monterey Car Week. The funny thing is, Max
classic
definitely
cars.
started his YouTube video like that.
I don't know nothing about classic cars, but I'm just gonna go look at them and make cool faces like I care. Yeah, this is that car in Fortnite.
Performante? What the hell are you guys talking about?
That's an Aventador.
This is a Performante. No, it's a Fortnite car.
It's quite busy. I didn't think this many people like the old cars, but to each their own, I guess. What is this, firemen or race car drivers? I don't know. Thank you, bro. That's a picture? Yeah, that's good. Where are you from?
I'm from Hawaii, actually.
You're from where?
Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Yeah.
Damn, that's sick, bro. Nice to meet you. Yo, I got a flower in my ear still. Does it look pretty?
Don't listen to the haters, bro. The M light is fire.
M light, bro? I got that.
I'm playing. You got the M2 right now?
Yeah. Jake Snyder! Oh my god!
Why do you say it like that?
This guy has like 1 million on TikTok. This is probably the newest car I've seen here. Check it out. This is a 997. Pretty sick. I wasn't filming, but we just bumped into somebody that drove all the way down here from Toronto, which is absolutely crazy. We flew in from Toronto, which is like a 5.5 hour flight. He drove, he said it took him a week. That is nuts, that's some commitment. What do you guys think about this? To whoever doesn't know, my last car was actually an Elantra, and this is a facelift. I had the older one, and I crashed it, but not gonna lie, it was a pretty fun 4-cylinder.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
You have a BMW, right?
Yeah, that's right. I got the M2 competition. No, I'm Max. It's a competition. Yeah. What's up, man?
STI, right? Remy's STI? No, that's my buddy. Dude,
it's Remy
like
STI.
Brothers. We look like brothers. No, I don't have an STI. All the way out here from Toronto?
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Good shit.
All right, see you, man.
Hey, I watch you on YouTube, bro.
Really?
Yeah,
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Take in. This cop has no clue I don't have a front plate on my car. Yeah, I got no front plate. He doesn't know. Don't record me, bro.
Get the camera out of his face.
I'm sorry. All right, we just left the event because it was literally just on that one strip right there. Probably like 10 old cars. So now we're gonna walk around downtown Monterey, I think this is, and try and find some cool cars. I haven't seen many cool cars since I've been here. I don't know, I heard the second week is better. We did come here the first week, so maybe we came at the wrong time, but this was our only option because we're driving down to Pennsylvania, which is a big BMW event called the Impact, which is why we came the first week. So we're gonna make up for what we came for. I don't know how to word it. We're gonna make up for, you know what I'm trying to say, all right? I think I got something wrong with me because sometimes I can't speak properly. Take a look at the public transit buses here. Looks like some medieval time stuff. Look at this. Ding, ding, ding. Oh my God, sounds horrible.
Yeah, we're actually Vlog Squad. This guy has a competition.
Oh! Oh! Rev it! Yeah, I need one of those. Actually, I need both of those. I gotta change my underwear now. Nah, are you kidding me, bro? An OG M2. I haven't seen one competition here. Let's see if we see one. An M4, and it's still not a comp, bro. Oh my God, it's a 428i. I just got catfished by a 428i. That's not good.
Did you actually bring your BMW?
No, I didn't, man. I wish I did. Monterey is so much about cars that they got a BMW M church. You can't tell me that doesn't look like a BMW M logo. Yo, tell the vlog, is that a competition?
That is a competition.
We found a competition, guys. Should I get a new plate for the M2 competition? Right now it's kimchi, and as you guys know, but that has nothing to do with my car. That's just from my last car. I'm thinking of getting It's a Comp. I don't know. What do you guys think? That is sexy. Oh, and you like this car?
I like this one.
Well, you're never gonna be able to afford it. This is a sleeper supercar.
Yeah, sleeper.
You wouldn't even know it's fast. Look at it. Does it even look fast? Such a sleeper. Whoa! This is a famous guy. He does like public interviews and stuff. Wow! Imagine I knocked over all these guys' bikes right here. Do you think they would arrest me? Low-key might try it. Before we continue, I would just like to thank this video's sponsor, REDTIGER Dashcam. If you care about your car and you don't have a dash cam inside of it, I don't know what you are doing, but I've gone through so many dash cams, and this has been my favorite by far. This is the REDTIGER F17 3-channel dash cam. When I say 3-channel, that means it films 3 different angles. It films the outside of your car in 4K, the inside of your car, and the rear of your car. One thing that I absolutely love about this dash cam is that it has a 24-hour parking monitor. So when you're not even in your car, it's constantly recording. So let's say something happens and you're not by your car, you got it on video. I almost forgot to mention that this dash cam also has a built-in GPS. So when you go to replay and rewatch your footage, you can see exactly where you were when that footage was being recorded. Another reason why I love this dash cam, unlike others, you don't have to pull out the SD card and put it in your computer to pull out the footage. That's so old-fashioned. You can basically connect to Wi-Fi onto the dash cam, download the REDTIGER app, and pull the footage directly off your phone. It's so easy. If any of you are interested, make sure to click the link in my bio if you want to get one of these for yourself. But let's continue on with the video. Yo, rev it! Rev it!
Rev's good.
That's so disappointing. This is Daniel's new car, Nissan Sentra SVJ. Daniel, do a pull for the crowd.
Do a pull. No, hold on. There's a lot of torque.
Do a pull. Yeah!
Just goes like this.
Start mewing.
No.
No, that's not how you do it. Puff the lips out.
And then put the tongue to the roof of your mouth.
Now try it. No.
I can't do it. Let
me watch the gauge while you do a pull.
Okay, ready?
There you go.
Almost at 60. Oh my god.
And it has a burble tune. I don't feel safe right now. This thing's torquey. Whoa. What happened?
I beat the Lucid.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, that's what I said. I thought it looked good.
Full car.
Alright, Jake just beat the Lucid. Let's see if he can beat the Sentra.
You're next.
Yeah, let's race. Wait, do that again. He's flooring it right now. I think we're moving very fast.
Yo, it kicked in. It was laggy.
Did it?
It's
like
No, it's actually that turbo lag.
Oh my god.
It has to like spool up. It's like a big
yeah.
single.
That's such a-
Do it again.
Hold on.
I want to feel the turbo boost. I didn't really feel it.
Your brake boost?
Okay, wait for it.
Wait.
Is it gonna kick in?
Oh
my god, that's nuts. I heard you got gapped by a Supra.
I did.
Oh my god.
I was shocked. I didn't think I have like 600 horsepower.
Yeah, this thing has no top end. Get out of it. Show them how you park. Crank that wheel.
Fast hands. Oh my god.
Wait, watch the curb?
Yeah, I'm watching it.
No, keep coming.
Tell me
I'm not nice with it.
Go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. These 2 dogs in the car. Fucking.
That's good for the transmission.
Oh. Dude, look. It's putting its dick in its ass.
Oh shit. No. This is Nikolai's rental car. What is this?
Go ahead. A Lucid Air Touring.
Lucid Air. It must be slow because it got gapped.
Yeah, so
Fun fact, I was actually gonna get a Supra instead of the M2 competition. But I'm glad I didn't because it has a B58 and those suck and they're very slow. But they look pretty cool. They want to shut the frunk on me. Okay, should I do it?
Yeah, go.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can. You can fit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, you can fit. Oh my god.
Yo!
There we go.
Nah! No, try not to freak out. I was breathing deep. Look what I just fit in.
Just almost
because you're 5'3". Just one of you guys do that. To everyone wondering, if you can fit a human in the front of a Lucid Air, you can. And if you put them in there and they get stuck, you can't get out.
We're leaving out a very important detail. A 5'3" human.
Yeah, Max is 5'3".
If I'm 5'3", what are you? 5'4"?
He's not normal.
What are you? 5'4"?
Yeah, like 5'4".
You're good. You're good. Scream. We were just eating dinner at a restaurant. We took off and look who got pulled over. Jake with no rear plate. Yo, it's funny, out in Canada you get pulled over for no front plate, and over here he's getting pulled over for no rear plate, and he's probably gonna get a $25 fix-it ticket. What happened? What would you do?
Nothing. The plate fell down because of the heat, so I had to push it back up.
So you get pulled over for no rear plate, I got pulled over for no front plate.
Yeah, my plate's on actual back order though.
Yeah, look at that. His plate's on back order too. Everyone's plate's on back order.
Yeah, just when you get to a hotel or house. I got it on the vlog. I go, there's a cop behind Jake. He has no plate. Let's wait a few seconds, and then fucking blue lights.
Yep.
Yeah, we knew that was you 100%.
Do you still want to run it, or should we use it as a sign to be like, maybe not? No, I think you're fine.
Where are we gonna run it? Mexico?
Yeah, no, actually in
Tijuana, right?
Tijuana, yeah.
What is that? Tijuana's like a 20-minute drive? Okay, let's go and we'll do runs there. Look at this fog, that is crazy. I don't know where Jake is, but we're gonna see who's faster. I think they already know who's faster, but I haven't even witnessed it yet. Alright, all the boys are getting in the Lucid Air right now.
I want to experience launch control.
Dude, I think I had you like every time on that one.
Yeah,
it's the lower end, yeah.
It's the lower end, dude.
Because the first one was like a 60 roll.
Oh, no, these cameras are actually next level.
And they're also pretty bright too at night.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, do it.
Oh!
There it is.
Yeah, it said launch mode activated. Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Oh!
Dumbass.
I just broke the car. No. Okay. No, that thing jumped.
Oh god.
No, that thing jumped.
Battery, right?
Yo, what was that? I'm so pissed I didn't film that. I'm getting a massage right now while these guys are squished in the back. Yo, this is nice.
I wonder do you think it was our That could have also not been for me, right? You know?
No, you're lucky. Imagine you like imagine he crashed this thing. Oh my god. Nikolai got a loaner from Lucid. Lucid gave him this car to drive over the trip during all of Monterey Car Week. This is his first day with it, and he just got bailed out. I mean, he just scraped the front bumper, but that could have been bad. Today's been the first day of Monterey Car Week. We got here yesterday, but I didn't film anything because we were kind of just settling in. To all of you that don't know as well, Monterey Car Week is an event in California. Anyways, today was a fun first day. We saw that little event with the old cars. We met up with Nikolai, he just landed. Jake got pulled over in the Supra. It's been quite the eventful day, but I think this brings it to the end of the first day's vlog. I think it's safe to say we've had quite the fun first day. We're making up for the time that we're here, even though we're not here at the best time, but yo, I'll see you guys later. That's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, hit the like button. Turn those notifications on.
Smash them.
Smash them. Make sure you smash those, not smash that shit. I can't swear. All right, thanks for watching. Yo, peace out. Okay, see you guys.
Boss mode in effect and my money long. And they all wanna come to my yard, ice me out and leave me alone. You know I be